Looking for the best electric router for your next woodworking project? Today we're breaking down 5 top models, from budget-friendly picks to pro-grade precision. Let's kick things off with the most basic option on our list, the CT-370 from CtopoGo. It lands in the 5th spot, and while it may not be a powerhouse, it's a powerful starting point for light-duty DIYers on a tight budget. If you're new to woodworking or only need something for occasional edge trimming, this might catch your eye. This little guy packs a punch with 30,000 RPM and includes a generous kit, 12 router bits, guides, wrenches, you name it. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and ready to go right out of the box. For the price, it delivers decent performance for light shaping and small tasks. But here's the trade-off. There's no variable speed, and the fixed RPM means you're stuck at full blast whether you're working with soft pine or hardwood. The build quality feels a bit plasticky and it doesn't hold up under heavy use compared to the others on this list. So who's it for? If you're working on small hobby projects or just learning the ropes, it's a cheap entry into the router world. But if you're looking for flexibility or long-term reliability, stick around. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best prices down below in the description. Next up in 4th place is the router from Mefape. It offers a bit more power and a better accessory kit, making it a small step up from the previous model. This one's designed with the beginner in mind. Just plug it in and you're good to go. You get 15 router bits, guides, tools, and a decent motor that keeps up with basic trimming jobs. The transparent base helps with precision, and the rubber grip makes it feel a bit more premium in the hand. For small DIY tasks or home repairs, it holds its own. But again, there's no speed control, just one speed, all the time. And despite the added bulk, it doesn't offer much more durability or performance. It's also on the heavier side for a palm router, which might fatigue your hand over longer sessions. This one's great for casual DIYers who want more bits in the box and a little extra stability. If you're not worried about pro-level features, it's not a bad option. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gear breakdowns just like this. Sliding into 3rd place, we have a router that starts to show real potential. The A2 model from AKYPACH. It brings more control to the table with variable speed settings and support for 2 collet sizes, which opens up your options. It's relatively light, easy to maneuver, and comes with essential accessories like guides, a dust port, and a few bits. The transparent base and built-in scale are helpful for keeping your cuts precise, and the ability to dial down the RPM makes it more adaptable to different materials. But like some budget models, it's not built for heavy-duty use. The advertised max RPM might be a bit exaggerated, and you'll start to feel its limits when routing hardwoods or using larger bits. Still, it does the job for medium-level work. If you want to move beyond the basics but aren't ready to splurge on a professional tool, this router hits a sweet spot. It's ideal for hobbyists or DIYers who want more versatility without breaking the bank. In 2nd place, we've got a real contender, the DEWINNER V1027. Despite slightly lower horsepower, it packs a well-rounded feature set that makes it one of the most versatile routers in this price range. With variable speed from 13,000 to 33,000 RPM and support for both 1/4 and 3/8 inch bits, it can handle a wider range of tasks. It's equipped with a dust extraction port and ergonomic design that makes long sessions more comfortable. For this price, it's unusually feature-rich. However, it's not flawless. While the overall build is decent, it's not industrial grade. Some users have reported issues with overheating or fluctuating speed. It's heavier too, which might affect freehand work over time. That said, it's a fantastic middle ground option. If you're doing cabinet work, trim routing, or anything that requires a touch more control, this router won't disappoint. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the PR20 EVS from Bosch. This router is the real deal. With a pro-grade build and impressive features, it's the most refined tool in this lineup. Despite being compact, it boasts soft start and constant speed technology, which gives you smooth, precise performance even under load. The ergonomic grip, quick clamp base changes, and precise depth adjustments make it a joy to use. The only downside? It doesn't have built-in dust collection, and some guide accessories might need adapters, but for anyone serious about their woodworking, those are minor trade-offs. If you're looking for a router that delivers consistent results, top-tier precision, and long-term durability, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, 5 electric routers, each with their own strengths. Check out the links in the description to see the top picks at the best prices. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and hit subscribe for more reviews and tool guides just like this.